Hi, hello and namaste everyone. I am Anara, and I have come up with new video which is titled as, Learn About Planet Venus. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Venus is the second planet from the Sun and sixth in size in the solar system. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Although Venus is not the closest to the Sun, its dense atmosphere traps heat in a runaway version of the greenhouse effect that warms Earth. As a result, temperatures on Venus reach 880 degrees Fahrenheit, 471 degrees Celsius, which is more than hot enough to melt lead. Spacecraft have survived only a few hours after landing on the planet before being destroyed.
Venus doesn't have any moon because of the gravitational force of the Sun. Since Venus is too close to Sun, the moon would have been destroyed by tidal gravitational forces.
A day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days, while a year on Venus is shorter at just 224.7 Earth days. Venus has been called Earth's twin because of the similarities in their masses, sizes, and densities and their similar relative locations in the solar system. Venus is the brightest planet in our solar system. Because Venus orbits the Sun within Earth's orbit, the planet appears to have phases like the Moon. When Venus is on the opposite side of the Sun, it is in full phase, while it appears in new phase when it is between the Earth and the Sun. The first person to witness these phases was Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei in 1610. Winds swipe across Venus at super-fast speeds that can reach 450 miles an hour, 724 kilometers per hour, in its middle cloud layer. These Venusian winds are faster than the speediest tornado on Earth. The air pressure on the surface of Venus is extreme, about 90 times higher than the pressure at sea level here on Earth. In other words, the pressure on Venus is about the same as the water pressure on Earth, about half a mile, 1 kilometer, under the ocean. Its gaseous envelope is composed of more than 96% of carbon dioxide and 3.5% molecular nitrogen. Trace amounts of other gases are present, including carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor, argon and helium. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty and is the only planet named after a female. Incredibly, however, is that early in Venus's history, the planet may have actually been habitable, according to models from researchers at NASA's Goddard Institute for Space Studies and other studies. Venus's surface is extremely dry. During its evolution, ultraviolet rays from the Sun evaporated water quickly, keeping the planet in a prolonged molten state. There is no liquid water on its surface today because the scorching heat created by its ozone-filled atmosphere would cause water to immediately boil away. Roughly 2/3 of the Venusian surface is covered by flat, smooth plains that are marred by thousands of volcanoes, some of which are still active today, ranging from about 0.5 to 150 miles, 0.8 to 240 kilometers wide, with lava flows carving long, winding canals that are up to more than 3,000 miles, 5,000 kilometers, in length. The magnetic field of Venus is 0.000015 times that of Earth's magnetic field.
The average distance from the Sun is 237,910 miles. The closest approach to the Sun is 66,782,000 miles. The farthest distance from the Sun is 67,693,000 miles. The lightning in Venus is unique from that found on Earth, Jupiter, and Saturn. In the Venus, the lighting is associated with clouds of sulfuric acid. A long-lived cyclone on Venus, first observed in 2006, appears to be in constant flux, with elements constantly breaking apart and reforming.
Most recently, in 2021, NASA announced 2 new missions to Venus that will launch by 2030. The agency announced June 2, 2021 that they will be sending missions Da Vinci Plus and Veritas, chosen from a short list of 4 spacecraft, for the next round of discovery missions to Venus. Da Vinci Deep Atmosphere Venus Investigation of Noble Gases, Chemistry and Imaging, will dive through the planet's atmosphere, studying how it changes over time. Veritas Venus Emissivity, Radio Science, INSAR, topography and spectroscopy, will map the planet's surface from its orbit using radar. All the information provided are taken from different sources. The references are given below. Thank you everyone. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.